right here. Oh, but it's black. You can't see anything.
Buddies, you are gonna speak Spanish because you're a ref. I'm
Me
not
no.
a ref.
You know what I was thinking? Look. Let
What were
me
you thinking,
let
Bonnie?
me hear my
What is
theory right
referee?
here.
What?
Hear my
Who
theory.
knows?
I'm
Irish
hearing
referee.
your
Okay,
theory.
so I think you should be proud that you're called a ref.
Por favor.
What?
Wait.
Because it's like, imagine the people that don't know how to speak a second language.
Wait.
Yeah, imagine like
We need-
Sean. You can call
We
me
need light.
Linguist.
We need light.
It's recording.
No, but there's no light.
No,
somebody got that on reportion.
Yeah.
We should go in my
Okay, let's
car.
go under the light. Let's go under the light. Let's go under the light.
It's like an advantage to be freaking
Turn the light.
I'm not ashamed
Right?
I don't like be calling a
Me
ref.
neither,
Let's go
Joel.
in-
Yo saw you in
We are taking a pause right. So we are in Michelle Diaz's
Discussing
car right now.
the referee
This
man.
is Monica Reyes, Arturo Abreu, and this is Paulina Saldarriaga.
Sometimes.
So
Sometimes.
Wait, we're talking about reffiness.
Yes.
What do you think about reffiness? Come on, Paulina. What do you think about
I
ref?
think it's
Are your
a
windows down because it's
totally
hot?
natural thing. I mean,
I
I'm
think
a
you
ref.
should be proud.
I should be.
I think she's
Okay.
drinking too much now.
I think.
I think you should be proud.
Yeah.
I am.
Are you
Why?
proud? Are you proud of being rough?
I'm not a ref though.
Are you proud?
I'm not
She's
a
a
ref
gringo.
either. I'm not a ref, but like you should be proud,
Yeah.
as Monica was saying.
Oh, the question of the year. Are you a ref? Am I a ref?
No, what do you mean no? You are a ref.
She said yeah like 3 seconds ago. What the hell's cracking?
Wait, time
We
out.
got a
time out.
news.
There is levels of refs. Paulina is like not that low.
She's like somewhere in the
But she's a
middle.
ref. Yeah, she's
Brian's
an
a
advanced
ref.
Oh,
Wait.
do you hear him?
Hello? Hey, what's up?
I can't pause.
We are waiting for somebody.
You got mad?
Yeah.